Good morning. Welcome to another week of the Certified Professional course of MamaCRM. I'm Oresti Michael, and I'm the founder and CEO. And with these weekly lessons, we go through to each module and to understand how MamaCRM works and to refresh our knowledge about marketing strategy and how we can use AI to help us create our strategy, document SWOT analysis, four-piece analysis. And today, week 4, we're going to see audiences and personas and how we combine audiences with strategy. It's a module that we built. It's a module that we built through
I just heard this.
it's our proprietary
You don't get sick.
sorry sorry I feel like it's time to go live as well, so we're live on TikTok as well because we're social media marketing. So it's really important to combine those two. Back in the days, we had scattered tools. We have to check the audiences here, check the recommendations on the other side. Now we are very excited to present this module, and because this is something that, in combination with the social media management and CRM, we create MamaCRM. But this is something that is happening to all platforms, as we're gonna see in a while. As Meta, Facebook, Instagram, that's how LinkedIn is handling audiences. That's how TikTok and X is handling audiences. So if we can understand this and how it works and how AI is grabbing all the audiences, and we put it in a in a in a strategy dashboard, we can have suggestions and recommendations. Again, this is certification requirements. Everyone that is here knows them. The new ones that are watching and is recorded, to be able to get the certification of MamaCRM, you need to complete the 3 modules. You need to submit final assignments, attend at least 1 live course or Q&A, and pass the final MamaCRM certification. You will get the certification badge, early access to the affiliate program that gives you up to 40%, referrals and recognition, knowledge, and support. And again, everything that we do at MamaCRM, because we position ourselves as the world's first strategy-focused social media CRM, and we are, you can Google it and you will see it, or you can chat GPT it and you will see. Everything that we do stands and supports one thing, that the best social media marketing strategy is the corporate marketing strategy. And we have the tools to document this and manage each corporate strategy separately based on the strength, the weaknesses, the opportunity, the threats, and based on each corporation strategy. Today, we're gonna see audiences and strategy suggestions. And this is the hidden social media tools that all social media have. We often tend to see, and most of our marketeers, early days marketeers, see the front end of a page of an account and the tools to post a reel, a story, and how many likes, comments, views you get with this. But when you step further into the business tools and the business software that those companies give you, those giants of tech give you, like Meta, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Those are the three that I have here. X is the same as well. If you go to the ads manager, we can see one common thing. And the common thing is the three audiences that separate for the advertising campaigns. These three audiences are the core audience, the custom audience, and the lookalike audience. And we see here Meta. When you go to the ads manager and audiences, you can create audience, custom audience, lookalike, and saved audience. Again, on LinkedIn, you can have upload a list, retarget by. So this is the custom audience. On LinkedIn is a bit different. If you want, I have a dedicated video explaining the LinkedIn platform. I can send it to you. This is on another this is seminar that I did, but I can send it to you. So on LinkedIn, again, is the same idea. It's different in technical implementation. You have upload a list and the retarget by. Upload a list is basically a list of contacts or a list of companies that you can target. Target by is the people that engage with your page, with your events, with your lead generation forms, with your images, videos, and website. So with this, you can create an audience that is called the hot audience in marketing. It's the audience that already engage with you and know something about you, knows your name, knows your face, knows your brand, your values, etc. And again, on TikTok, we can see here custom audience and lookalike. On LinkedIn and on TikTok, the way you create saved audience, because I used to say it and I always will say it until the other platforms will step up. Meta is the most advanced social media platform because it has the most advanced social media tools for social media marketeers. And you can see here on Meta, you have custom, lookalike, and saved because you can create them from here. On LinkedIn and on TikTok, you create saved audiences as you create the platform, as you create the advertisements. You just on that step, you create save and you create a saved audience. So what's the difference between core or saved, custom, and lookalike? So you have three audiences. Is core or saved is the same one, which is the audience that you can select from demographics, geographics, behaviors, and interests. So you can say, I want male or female that are between the ages of 18 and 25, that are interested in fashion, and they have the behavior of buying, visiting online stores and buying. You can create a group, and they are in the region of, let's say, Beirut or LA or New York or Athens. You can select geographical region. In Meta, you can select up to 1 kilometer around a place. On TikTok and on LinkedIn is more broad. So this is the core audience. This is the audience that every advertising manager, every marketeer has access, because everyone can click the button and select the location, the ages, the interest, and the behavior. And we all have the same, let's say, audience of women between 18 and 25 that are interested in fashion, and they have the behavior of visiting online shops. What's interesting now, it's a custom audience. The custom audience are the people, are the people that engaged with your audience, that the people that engage with your assets. So are the people that view a video, and you can see if they view for for 3 seconds, for 10 seconds, for 15 seconds, for 50% of the video, for 70% of the video, for 95% of the video, or full. The people that click on your ads, on your images, the people that visited your website. This is a custom audience. So you can create an audience and know that this number, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 2,000 people view a video, visit the website, engage with my content. This is the all big buzz about engagement. This is all about is the hot audience. So now you have an audience that you know that they know you. You know that they engage with you, they view a video, and now you know that you have created the engagement, the awareness, and the engagement because you can see the numbers. You can see that you have reached 100,000 people by 5 times. So you have an audience of 150,000 people, and you can see the numbers that you have reached 100,000 unique people by 5 times. So you have reached 2/3 of your audience. And you can see that out of those 100,000, 50,000 engaged with your content. So that you know that you have engaged people. Then you can move to the last phase, that is leads and sales. You can show the message that it's time to buy, because or you can send a message for lead campaigns, for sales campaigns, because you know they engage with you. So this is the whole idea of audiences and strategy. And lookalike, you can easily, by clicking a few buttons, create lookalike audience of the audience that engage with you. And this is very handy when the audience that engage with you is small. Let's say it's 2,000, it's 3,000, it's 5,000, and there is not enough space to target them. You can create the lookalike audience and have a bigger audience, because this lookalike audience, it goes from 1 to 10%. It creates an audience of similar people with similar behaviors as the people that view your video, visit your website, and engage with your audience. Now, the big difference between the core or saved audience that everybody has access to with the custom audience and the lookalike is that the custom and the lookalike, it's yours. They belong to a group of audience because they engage with your brand name. Nothing, not another brand name, not because of the behavior. And it's very important to know that you are targeting the correct audience at the first stage, the saved, the / core audience, because you know that those people that engage with you, you know that are already people that are interested in a specific subject, and they are belonging in a specific geographic and demographic audience. For example, women 18 to 25 that are interested in fashion. Okay? So you know that these 50,000 people that engage with you are not random people that just saw an ad and click on it. So it's very important the first audience to be defined correct. Now, again, creating an audience is not something that will go deep at MamaCRM because it's more of a strategy. Creating an audience is more tactical. If you wish, I have it recorded. I can send it to you so you can go and create audience. But if you go to any ads manager, Meta, LinkedIn, and TikTok, and look, here it's the audiences. Look for audiences. Here is the tools, and you go to audiences. It's not very hard to find. You can find the audiences. You can create audiences by clicking the button and follow the steps. It's a very, very easy to create. Again, if you want, we can go deep in another lesson. Now, what we have done here at MamaCRM, we are bringing the audiences from the ads manager to MamaCRM. And just to show to TikTok as well, we are presenting the audiences like this. So now you see that the audiences, you can view the audiences easily, you can audit the audiences, and you can see that there is a balance. And if there is no balance, you can go and fix the balance because you have suggestions and recommendations. And we compare this with our strategy. So here we have the strategic plan. So we have the actions, the social media actions, how many awareness campaigns, how many engagement, how many sales campaigns, and that we don't have leads campaigns, and we have a suggested post distribution. So now you can easily, as a marketing manager, go and check that all campaigns, all plans are according to your strategy. And here, Eleni Demosthenes joined live as a guest. Eleni, are you here as well on TikTok, or is not you? So here, we can see this is live. And if you change it, you can see that the data is changing as well. So how do you get this strategic plan? When you publish on MamaCRM, we get you through the process of defining what you're trying to achieve in terms of strategy, awareness, engagement, leads, or sales. We also get you through the process of defining what type of content, because in a very short period of time, you will be able to run ads through MamaCRM. So it's going to be ready. You define the project. You remember that we discussed about project the last three lessons. So now you define the project, so you know which project are you trying to promote. And when you do that, let's just do it for the purpose of doing it. When you do that, now it's here on your strategy. So you know what you're doing. You know how many people you're targeting. You know how many people engage with you, and what is your lookalike audience. So this is something that you have to go through and audit. before you start working on a client or having a meeting with a client, you can easily view this. Or when you create a plan for the client, you can easily view this, and you know now your content is structured. It's not just posts over the internet. Okay? And you have a suggestion and recommendation. For now, for example, here we'll have the suggestion to create more awareness campaigns because we're targeting 7.5 million people, and we only engage with 243,000. So we either gonna minimize this if we don't have the budget to reach them and engage with at least more than 50% of the 7.5 million. We need to stop targeting this big amount of people because we will never penetrate the market with this budget. Okay? And to do that, you can go here and you have the audiences in front of you at MamaCRM. It's here. And you can go custom and see each one, or all, or lookalike, or saved. At this stage, we cannot edit the audiences from here, but it's something that we are looking in the future to be able to edit the audiences from here. Now you need to go to each platform and create the audiences, and we get this data and we present it to you in a nice way so you can easily audit your audience and have a tool to discuss with your marketing manager and with your CEO and the business owner that, you know what, you want me to target 7.5 million people. I do whatever I can with my content and everything, but the budget is not enough. And if you want to discuss about budget, here is our paid campaign for last month that we spent 1,000 euro and we reach only 100,000 people, 98,000 people by 2 times. So 984 euros are not enough if you want me to target 7.5 million people. And now your job as a marketeer and as a social media marketeer, it gets more strategic because you have the data to support your case. I'm getting excited about audiences and strategy. So this is today's lesson. We simplified audiences. We bring them now. We bring. You can see here that it says at account. We're bringing Meta, and soon we'll have LinkedIn, TikTok, and X here as well. So you'll be able to change the audience and again have different suggestions and recommendations for each platform separate. This is the idea of MamaCRM. This is the idea of strategic approach of MamaCRM. This is the idea of world's first strategy focused social media CRM. And again, when you create your draft calendar, you select your project that we already see. You just type the subject. What are you trying to achieve? Your strategic target, your type, and your date. And you create your draft calendar. And then you can select proceed, and it's on the official calendar. And then you just start creating content. And when it's here, you can also see it here at at the upcoming post. So if you're running 10 clients, 6 clients, 20 clients, you don't need to go to each one, each calendar, and see what's going to happen this month. You can just go here at the dashboard and sort by date and see the, or by workspace, and see the upcoming post, and just click on it and start creating content. You have your AI composer, and you can easily create a task, click add task, assign users, add a description, add a workspace, add a status that is customizable, and proceed to create a task that is here on MamaCRM, on the CRM side of MamaCRM, and you can see the tasks. You can sort them, and you can see them here. Approve them. This is test. Approve them. Give change status. Give feedback, and proceed with your work without worrying if you have done a good job or not, because you have done a strategic job, and that's for sure. Again, here is the workspaces, and this is today's lessons, audiences and strategy, and we went from here to here. Simplify, just simple, make it simple for all social media. Any questions? Any questions from TikTok? Hello, TikTok. If you want, you can go to MamaCRM from TikTok and join the academy for another 20, the first 20 certified professionals. All clear. Thank you, Constantina. Any other questions? As you see, MamaCRM, I don't know, is only me that I see that is easy, or do you see that is easy as well? Because as you probably saw, I start this idea of MamaCRM. Let me show you. You probably saw it. It started from this pen and paper. So everything you see here, you see this sketch here, it's the workspace. So it's this one. It's the SWOT analysis, 4-piece analysis, customer audiences. Here is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to share. This is the content mix ideas. This one, it's here. And then the suggestion and the plan. This is a plan. And to be honest, this here, the generate button, I think we're gonna remove it, because it's like you can throw content around and click generate, and it will distribute the content based on awareness, engagement, and leads. We built an algorithm for that, but I'm not sure if it makes sense for the users, and it's we'll keep it for a while and we'll see. Try it and let me know if it's something that you want me to keep, or you want us to remove it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's quite easy. Agree, it's easy. All clear. Thank you. Thank you, Kiriago. So I'm closing the recording. Thank you very much. Rest my call from MamaCRM. See you at the next one.